In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to Grok AI using voice mode. We'll keep it simple and walk through exactly how to turn on voice so you can speak naturally and get responses without typing. All you need is a device with a working microphone and a modern web browser. First, head to the official Grok website in your browser. This is where everything starts. When the page loads, you'll see the main landing experience. If your account requires sign-in, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're in, you'll be ready to open a conversation. Next, click on Chat. This opens Grok's conversation view where you normally type messages. You should see a familiar chat window with a message field at the bottom and controls next to it. Entering the chat area ensures you're in the right place to start speaking and receive replies in real time. Now, click on the microphone. This tells Grok you want to talk instead of type. The first time you do this, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. Choose Allow so your voice can be captured. A small visual indicator typically appears to show that listening is active. Speak clearly at a normal pace and keep background noise low so transcription is accurate. If you don't hear or see a response right away, pause for a moment to let the system process your words. Then, select Voice. This option confirms that you're using voice mode, routing your spoken input through speech recognition and enabling voice-first interaction. It helps Grok know to listen for speech and respond in a way that fits a hands-free flow. After you choose voice, you can continue talking naturally, asking questions, giving instructions, or brainstorming out loud just like you would with a person. That's all there is to it. Go to Grok, open chat, tap the microphone, and choose voice. From here, your conversations can be faster and more expressive, especially when you're multitasking or prefer to think out loud. For best results, speak in short, clear phrases and give the model a second to finish before adding more. If you ever need to pause input, simply stop talking until you're ready to continue. You now have everything you need to talk to Grok AI using voice mode.